Hey team, and welcome to this next session on Dash Robots. The purpose of this video is to talk to you about how to power the device on, how to navigate app updates, and how to officially get into the app we will use here in the classroom. This is what the robot looks like. You would need to rotate the robot around in order to locate the power button. Once you have located this circular button that has a power imprint symbol located on it, go ahead and push that button for maybe about 3 seconds. The head will rotate, you'll notice some lights appear, and then you will know that your robot is indeed powered on. Your iPad. Ensure that your iPad is on. If your iPad is in the off position, simply raise your hand and your teacher will come to you to turn the iPad on. In order to get the iPad out of the sleep state, you will press the circular button on the front of the iPad 1 time. You will have an opportunity to unlock that iPad simply by pressing on that circular button 1 time. You may need to use your index finger to slide across the screen a few times to locate these specific apps. The one app that we will use in today's session is Blockly. Blockly, Blockly. That's the app that we will use in today's session. Once you have tapped on the Blockly app, you will see a screen similar to this one. Press the triangle on the middle of your screen in order to move to the next screen. If your iPad cannot detect a robot, it will tell you no robots found. Please ensure that your robot is indeed turned on and then press the orange button that says search again. The iPad will go through the process of locating any available robots that are nearby in the on position, and then you can choose the correct robot. If your robot needs to go through a software update, you will see a screen that looks like this. It may take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to fully update your robot. Please be patient. Complaining will not speed this process up at all, and don't be worried, we won't leave you behind. You won't miss out on anything. Smile through it, and you'll move to the next step with us in just a moment. So again, please be patient. Once your device has been updated, it will let you know that the update has been completed. On the right-hand side, you'll see this arrow. Tap the arrow 1 time. On this next screen, you will see the names of all the available robots. Your teacher may have let you know the name of your specific robot. It could be located on a sticker on your robot. Simply make sure that you pair your iPad with the correct robot. Once you have paired your robot with your iPad, you're ready to go. Thank you, team, for paying attention, and have a great day. If you would like to receive automated emails from YouTube, you can click on the subscribe button right here once you have found my channel. After you click the red subscribe button, a bell will appear on the right-hand side. Click on the bell. From the drop-down menu, choose the word All. From this point forward, YouTube will automatically send you updates whenever new content arrives on my channel.